Hey, welcome to Ken's Travel Workbench. Today we're going to clean these shoes in part 2. So what do you do with a dirty sole? Well, you can go to church, clean your sole up a little bit, but if you don't want to take your shoe to church to be saved or cleaned, I recommend just putting it in a laundry tub. We're lucky here at the Travel Workbench. We have a nicely equipped workbench and outdoor or indoor garage with a nice big laundry tub with an extension wand on the faucet. We also have various detergents. Got Ajax. I love to use the Ajax. It's excellent, cheap, 98 cents or something. And we got this Echo's plant powered dish soap, so it's all natural. I'm going to test that out today and see how that works on this cleaning. So first thing I've done is I've actually taken the vacuum cleaner and just did a general cleaning on both shoes. See, here's the whole pair, and the wear you can see is even on both. There's been no issues on excess wear left or right foot. Then what I'm going to do is just do a gentle soaking. I usually use kind of a mix of warm and cold. Let's get it heated up here with hot water first. There it goes. We've been gone from North Carolina for 5 weeks. It's going to take a little while for the water out here to warm up. And then what I do, I actually just go ahead and remove the sole liner on the inside. I like that because you can take them apart real easy. Just going to do just the general. Oh, now the water's getting hot. And the cold water, just mix it about 50-50. Do a general cleaning, get all any debris from Bangkok out of there. There's a lot. If you've never been to Bangkok, especially the downtown Chinatown, around MBK, Platinum Mall. I walk everywhere, so I love to walk. So you can get a lot of debris. So I'm gonna wash that out real quick. Lay it on the side here, out of the way. Do the same with the other one. Just general washing to get some of the dust and dirt. If there's any loose gravel, though I don't think there is any. Get that off of there. Okay, and then I'm just gonna wring it out. Nice and easy, just like that. And then just set it off to the side to air dry. And in the past I've put these kind of shoes, the Adidas, in washer and then a dryer also to clean them. I think it does. I mean, it's okay. I think it does wear them out just a little bit quicker. It's a little more wear and tear on them. So I just like to air dry now. So what I'm going to do here is just a gentle cleaning with some warm water and soap. Show you how easy it is. I'm going to do a little hand rubbing here first. That up a little bit. Just use a really soft bristle hand brush here, you can see. Just a little, very softly, just get any ground in sand or anything off the fabric part. I don't want to damage the fabric. Just put a little drop of the soap on there. Again, it's just basic soap, nothing too strong. Plant derived. Either that or the Ajax is really good. Kind of natural base. Just do a little light scrubbing on the fabric. There we go. Nothing too harsh. Get any stains, because I did get a lot of stains from a lot of debris on the street or when I was eating some street food. Love the street food over there in Bangkok. Oh man, I had so much. I took pictures of everything, a few videos up on the YouTube channel, but I prefer to talk individually about those. So when I get time, I'll be putting one of those videos together on the street food in Bangkok. We also went to Singapore, ate at a few of the hawker centers over there. But I gotta tell you, I was kind of disappointed in the quality of the food in Singapore. Beautiful country. They've accomplished so much there. The President Lee, what he did, the Prime Minister. But food is not their forte. They have the hawker centers, but it's not like Bangkok. Of course, Bangkok's the street food capital of the world. So it's gonna be hard to beat. I've been spoiled eating there so much over the years. So what I'm going to do is just scrub a little harder on the white sole. Now, I don't want to get all these stains off. I mean, I don't expect to. Just clean up the best I can. To me, those kind of marks kind of add a little character. They kind of remind me where I went with the shoe. You know, it's been a part of my travels. And you know, I kind of think of shoes as a travel souvenir. I know that may seem a little weird, but I do have all pairs of shoes I've had since I've started going on my international travels. I still have the pair that I wore in China, on the Great Wall of China, throughout central China, about 1,200 miles in the interior. That was a great trip. That was my first big international trip outside the Western Hemisphere. Still have the same ones that I wore throughout Europe: London, Paris, Rome, the Colosseum, the Aqueduct, all those wonderful places we saw over there. And I also got the ones that I wore throughout the United States National Park System: Grand Canyon, Mammoth Cave. I love Mammoth Cave and the Smoky Mountains. Beautiful. And the other national parks we went to, Yellowstone included. And I got the pairs that we, you know, went through Thailand on my various trips. So I love to keep them. Add a little more soap here. And when I retire, good Lord willing and the creek don't rise, I'll take all those shoes and have a big workshop built for Ken's travel workbench. And put them all on display along with some other stuff, my backpacks that I've had. Actually, I bought a new backpack over there today at one of the, or on my trip in Thailand at one of the street markets. It's North Face, switching from Swiss gear to North Face. Love the Swiss gear, it did great, still in great shape, even though it's over 5 years old. But I want to see what the North Face holds up. I had such good luck, as you've seen in some of my videos, with the North Face rain jacket. My gosh, it's been such a wonderful rain jacket. I want to see, I'm eager to see how the backpacks do. It did not look as good quality as the Swiss gear was, but I think it'll be really good. All right. So that's pretty clean. It's travel clean, put it that way. When a shoe's been traveling its whole life, like this one has, basically, through some really rigorous conditions, it's going to have a hard time getting totally clean. And I don't expect that. Like I said, it has a little character to it. All right, so I've scrubbed it down. Now I'm just going to rinse it out real good. Not worried about getting the inside wet. I'm going to let it air dry for probably 2 days. Oh yeah, I see a big difference here. Big difference. Get all that Bangkok sludge off of there. Man, you would not believe, if you've never been to Bangkok and walked all day, day after day everywhere, you would not believe what you see on the streets. It's like any big city. But they do have a bit of a pollution problem there. You know, they got a lot of pollution. It does make a difference on things. So it's kind of strange. I have allergies here in North Carolina. The whole constantly sneezing. So when I went to Bangkok, I didn't have any sneezing at all. It all disappeared, even though it had more pollution. But I did catch a cold while I was there because of the switch from the extremes outside inside. And they've really come to love their air conditioning over there. I mean, they are blasting their air conditioning everywhere inside now, which I really don't like. I'd rather have it not so strong. Kind of have a cough, sniffles because of that. Still trying to get over that now that we got back to the States. All right, so that one looks clean. That's all there is to it. Now, yeah, marked improvement on there. And look, so okay, the shoe is, what did I say, about 3.5 months old. Bought back at the summer. 5 weeks hard use in Bangkok, downtown Bangkok. Throughout China, you name all the markets, Pratunam, Chinatown, the night markets, train night markets, etc. All those. Walking to the BTS and Airlink stations constantly. You know, at least 10 to 15 miles a day, some even more. There were a few days when I probably got over 20 miles. I mean, I was just walking straight all day in temperatures. I got a secret to how to deal with the temperatures. My relatives over there and my wife cannot believe how much I like the heat. Well, there's a reason I like the heat, but I haven't told them. But I'll share it with you in another video. But I mean, look, still nice and bright on the crisp on the Adidas wraparound there. No real scuffs on the back. The material holding up great. Just a little fuzzy on this material, but it's just the nature of the material, I think, because it's more of a fleece kind of material. But everything else is looking sharp. Look at that. I love these Adidas Kaptir. You know, to all you designers at Adidas that make these videos possible, make this shoe possible, thank you. It's been an excellent shoe. My favorite shoe of all time, actually. I feel it's probably the best travel shoe around if you're going to travel day in and day out. Thank you for making that. The design, I love the design. And I want to let you know I love it so much, I'm going to buy another pair exactly like it. Though I did check today in another video, you'll see I'll be posting the Kaptir 3.0 is out now. Colors are a little different, not quite my thing, but I'll see if I can find something in blue, and I'm going to buy another pair. So thank you, Adidas. And until next time, enjoy your traveling. Make sure you get the right equipment. But you know, the best thing about traveling is unexpected little accidents, the happy accidents, I like to call them, just like Bob Ross. It's the happy accidents that make the memories when you travel. So enjoy and have a great travel adventure.